Independent and dependent clauses. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain one important grammar topic for TOEFL, which is independent and dependent clauses. Understanding these clauses will help you identify simple, compound, and complex sentences, which often appear in TOEFL grammar questions. So, let's begin. What is a clause? Before we go further, let's talk about what a clause is. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. However, not all clauses can stand alone. This is why we have independent clauses and dependent clauses. Independent clause. An independent clause is a clause that can stand alone as a complete sentence. It has a subject, a verb, and expresses a complete idea. For example, she studies every night. The lecturer explained the topic clearly. These sentences are complete and make sense on their own. Dependent clause. A dependent clause also has a subject and a verb, but it cannot stand alone. It usually begins with a subordinating word such as because, although, when, if, since, or that. For example, because she studies every night. Although the lecturer explained the topic clearly. These clauses are incomplete. We need to connect them to an independent clause. How clauses work in sentences. This explanation focuses on clauses, not sentence types. Now, let's see how independent and dependent clauses work together in sentences. By understanding this, we can easily recognize different sentence structure in TOEFL questions. 1 independent clause. When a sentence contains only one independent clause, it can stand alone. For example, she studies every night. This sentence is complete because it has one independent clause. 2 independent clauses. When two independent clauses are joined together, they are usually connected by a coordinating conjunction. For example, she studies every night and she reviews her notes in the morning. Both parts are independent clauses because they can stand alone. Independent plus dependent clause. When an independent clause is combined with a dependent clause, the dependent clause gives extra information. For example, because she studies every night, she performs well on exams. The dependent clause cannot stand alone, but it completes the meaning of the sentence. On TOEFL, a common mistake is treating a dependent clause as a complete sentence, so always check whether the clause can stand alone or not. To conclude, independent clauses expresses complete ideas, while dependent clauses need additional information. Understanding how these clauses function will help you analyze sentence structure more accurately in TOEFL. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.